Cauliflower omelette is a thick, dense, and very healthy dish. It is light on the salt and makes a good dish to pair with curries. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 5 eggs, 220 grams of cauliflower, washed, 60 grams of yellow onion, chopped, 120 grams of tomato, chopped, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, quarter teaspoon of sesame oil, half teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. First, break the eggs. I like to break mine in a smaller bowl to ensure that they are all fresh before mixing into a large bowl. In case there is a bad egg, it will not contaminate the rest. Alright, all done? Let's mix in the seasoning. 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, sesame oil, pepper, and half of the salt. Whisk the egg and the seasoning until well combined with a whisk or a fork. Set it aside. Next, cut the cauliflower. I am shaving the cauliflower head to get the smaller grain like this. This will fill the omelette later. Try to get the cauliflower to be as small as possible. When we reach the thicker stem, stop and set it aside. Switch on the heat to medium, spread all the cooking oil around the pan, and wait for it to get hot. While waiting, pour in all the cauliflower pieces, yellow onions, tomatoes, and the rest of the salt into the eggs. Mix evenly, coating all the vegetable pieces with eggs. Set aside. Just before cooking, spread the cooking oil around the pan once more. Pour in all the cauliflower eggs mixture into the pan. With a spatula, gently spread the vegetable around the pan, stirring for a few seconds. Then, with the back of the spatula, flatten the vegetable pieces until evenly level. Let it cook on medium heat on one side for about 4 minutes. As it cooks, the bottom layer will become firm. Occasionally lift the side of the omelette to check for doneness. As the heat is stronger on one side, I am turning the pan around to evenly cook the eggs. After 4 minutes, the bottom of the omelette is browning. With 2 spatulas, carefully flip the eggs. Oops, it's broken. Flip it again. Flatten the omelette and let it cook for another 4 minutes on medium-low heat. No worries for the broken omelette, as once it is cooked, it will join back again to become whole. After 4 minutes, check the bottom of the omelette. Alright, it's almost as brown as the top. Flip it again with 2 spatulas. Oops, it broken again. Ha ha ha. That's alright. Let it cook for another 1 minute on this side as well. After 1 minute, the cauliflower omelette is done. Switch off the heat. Dish it out and serve with some Thai sour spicy chili sauce. Let's eat! Wow, delicious! The omelette is thick, the cauliflower and tomatoes are quite soft. It has a very healthy taste as it is not salty as well. This will be perfect with some rich curry or on its own. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!